Hey, I'm Chris with Keto Chow, and I want to answer a quick question today. How do you make Keto Chow? Keto Chow is extremely simple to make. The easiest way is to use a shaker bottle that has measurements on the side. I actually color them in with a marker so they're easier to read. Add the amount and the kind of fat that you want to use. That could be butter, heavy cream, oil. If you don't have a specific amount of fat that you want to use, try starting off with, say, 4 ounces or 100 milliliters of heavy cream. It's probably the easiest.
Heavy cream.
Then add a full serving of Keto Chow. That could be a packet or a scoop if you got the big bag.
Oops.
Water. And then shake it up like a crazy person. And enjoy. Or if you stick it in the fridge and give it time for the vitamins and minerals to dissolve, it's going to taste a lot better. I like to put it in there about 30 minutes or overnight. Tastes even better. If you agree, leave a like. They keep up to 6 days in the fridge, so it's really nice just to be able to make up a whole bunch so you can grab and go whenever you want to. Hey, for more info about keto, check out ketochow.xyz. And if you have any other questions about keto, drop them in the comments.